In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can use Excel 2013 to average data. In this experiment, we've been looking at how changing mass will impact on the period of a mass on a spring. And what we've done to improve the accuracy is we have timed 10 oscillations, and the idea is we can work out the average of the 10 oscillations, and then we can divide through by 10 to get the period of one oscillation. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to say over here this will be 10 times the period, and it is the average of 10 times the period, so we'll call it average of 10t. And to work out the average, what you want to do is start with the equal sign, and then what you do is type average, open bracket. You want to select the trials, all three at once, close your bracket, and then hit enter. And that will work out the average of the three trials. Once you've done that, you can select the cell, and if you look very closely, you'll see that there's a tiny green little box on the right hand bottom corner of the cell. If you double click that, that will basically work out the averages of all of the cells. Once you've done that, we can select the data and we can round to the appropriate number of significant figures. And the best way to do that, we can't do sig figs, but we can do dp. So I can bring it that way or the other way. In this case, I want to go right back down to here. And of course, we don't want to forget our units. The units of the average 10 periods is going to be seconds, like that. Okay, once you've done that, the next step is we want to work out what the time for one oscillation is, or the period of one. And to do that, we're going to type in here, so period t, and of course that's measured in seconds, and the period t is just simply equal to the average 10t divided by 10. So we start with our equal sign, we take that cell and we divide it / by 10. Hit enter, take that cell, double click on the box bottom right hand corner, or simply drag, up to you, and that will give us the period of one bounce. Take those cells, fix up the significant figures to be consistent with the other values, so we're going to come over here and bring that back. Okay, so that is how you can average data in a spreadsheet and then divide through by 10 in this case to work out the time for one period.